After removing, it will look something like this. See, then you can simply loop this chain. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Microfile, and this is your host Midun. I'm back with another video. This is also going to be another DIY video where I'll be explaining about how to clean your chain and maintain your bike's chain properly, because that's what needs most care, and you have to clean it in between every 500 kilometers if you have a o-ring chain. And these bikes don't have a chain cover also, so prone to dirt and damage, so you have to clean it every 500 kilometers. And in this video I'll be showing you guys how to clean your chain at home with the basic things. You can clean your chain with the chain cleaner like this, which is bit expensive, but if you don't have this or you don't have money to buy this, you can use kerosene also. That's enough to clean the chain. So for now I'm using the chain cleaner. So without wasting any more time, let's start our video guys, and make sure to watch this video till the end. And if you are coming new to my channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the like button. So let's start this video guys. When you clean your chain, make sure don't put the bike on first gear and clean it, because there's a possibility that your finger will get into these pockets and severe injury will happen. So make sure you take proper precautions to avoiding that, and do it safely guys. So let's start our video. So guys, we are applying the chain cleaner to the chain, so that dirt and grim will go. So guys, make sure to apply the chain clean properly and evenly throughout the chain. And if you don't have chain cleaner, you can use a kerosene also, that is simply available at your home. So when you put your bike on first gear and run it like this, make sure you guys be safe. Don't go any closer to the sprocket with your hands. Okay guys, next we'll need to wipe everything off. For that you will be needing a piece of cloth or towel. After that you will just need to wipe everything off from that chain. Wipe it gently and make sure you clean everything from the chain. You can use a brush to clean the chain, and also if you have a rag or a towel, you can just simply wipe it off, because that's the best way you can clean it. If you take a closer look at the chain links, you can see that cleaning with cloth is the best way, that it works really well to wipe everything off from the chain. And we'll be opening up the front sprocket cover also and cleaning the front sprocket there if there is any grime or dirt, because there is a probability that there will be dirt and everything there. So this is the front sprocket side. So we will be cleaning front sprocket also. So guys, the next step is to pressure wash the chain and clean any excess amount of grime or dirt. After washing, just wipe off the water completely and make the chain dry before you put the lube. Wipe the chain completely. Guys, after that, open up the front sprocket cover and put a small layer of grease on that, because this is very important, guys, as most of us won't do this. If you don't lube the front sprocket, it would make some annoying sound even after you lube your chain. So don't ignore the front sprocket, guys. Cleaning and lubing your chain is very important if you are passionate about bikes and likes working on it. You will definitely going to find it satisfying. A good and properly maintained drivetrain will give you peace of mind and a butter smooth riding experience. Moreover, the chain will last its full lifespan. So don't be afraid to be a grease monkey, guys. Guys, then comes the final satisfying part, that is lubing your chain. Before lube your chain, just cover your wheel rims with a cardboard piece. When we spray, the chain lube won't get into the rims and make it messy. So apply a small and even amount of chain lube everywhere. So guys, if you find this video interesting, please make sure hit the subscribe button and ring that bell icon so that you guys never miss any update from me. After lubing your chain, leave it for 2-3 hours. Guys, then there are bikes with chain guards like the one here, as you can see here. These bikes are commuter bikes and they are not prone to grime or dirt as the other big bikes. So you guys can use old engine oil or gear oil, or even use grease for lubing this type of bikes instead of going for expensive chain loops. So do it every couple of 1,000 kilometers for these kind of bikes. So guys, removing the chain cover, it's pretty easy, guys. You only need a 10 mil ring spanner or 10 mil T spanner to undo these 10 mil bolts. Then the chain guard will come off very easily and you can lube your chain. Only you go to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, 4 10 mil bolts. After removing, it will look something like this. See, then you can simply lube this chain. Don't go with the rusting guys, because I am restoring this bike. So I hope I covered up everything related to chain lubing and stuff. So guys, if you like this video interesting, please do subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon so that you guys never miss any updates. And please do let me know your feedback and your comments down in the comment section. And please like this video, share this to your friends and family. So until next time, this is Mithun saying ciao, bye bye, peace guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do subscribe to my channel.